Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart Hand Creations and Events, guys. Welcome, 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 and welcome to my new subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and come on in, y'all. Well, y'all, guess what? Today I'm going to try a a project that I was just trying out to be trying, and it just didn't seem to go well. So what I'm going to do is show y'all what I did. Alright, so let me pull it out the corner here. This is what we got going on here. Look, y'all, I'm really trying to figure out how to work this thing out. And I was trying to make a tree, holiday tree display. And it just wasn't quite doing what I needed it to do. So I said, you know what, I'm going to come back on here with y'all. And the reason why I say it wasn't doing what I needed it to do is because I had these pearls, these pretty pale pinkish pearls. I had them all glued on here with hot glue. And I used Walmart's brand of hot glue. I'm going to show you to you. I'm going to show you right straight what I used. I got to show you the pack, so whenever you go to the store and you see it, you have the option to bypass it and to get something better. Right here. And look at how many I have. And these are good for something, but some things they are not good for. And the only way you want to know is by trial and error. And that's how I'm finding out that these were not good. These glue sticks were not good for these glass pearls on this floral foam cone. Yeah, it just was, that was not the thing. So I'm going to go back in on it, but I'm going to use the Gorilla Glue, the Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks. Alright, I made this one. You know what, that light is so bright you cannot see the details, so give me a second. Turn this down. There, you can see a little bit better now. Okay. So you see we have some iridescent confetti on that one. This one here, I did the foil paper. The foil gilding paper, actually. Alright, that's another one. This one here is the pale pink sandy type of glitter. Silver glitter. Real fine sandy glitter. And then I did this tree with the glass gems. And as you see, this fell apart too. And I'm sure, I don't know, when I squeeze it, I don't feel nothing coming off, but still, lost about 5 stones off of here, 4 here, and 1 right there. So that's where I'm at with this. I have this gold beads. I'm thinking about doing the cone that didn't work with the pale pink. I'm thinking about doing it over with these beads. I also have this silver, almost can pass for maybe snowballs. I mean, it looks good in a winter, if you're doing a winter seasonal setting. These lights right here. I wanted to try to incorporate these lights. Okay. I have these right here is wire, crystal, they're plastic though. Plastic crystal gems or beads, and I guess this size is 8mm. I'm not sure. I'm still working on learning the sizes, and pearls. So it's like crystal and pearls or diamond and pearls. And you guys, I made these out of individual. These were individually put on, twisted up the wire, so on and so forth. And I made trees out of these. Check her out. Her name is Dazzling Designs by Denise. I've mentioned her before. And on her channel, she did some seasonal stuff, and she made a tree out of these right here. These gems. And these are leftovers because you had to make about 100 of these. If you want your tree to look nice and full, yeah, you make about 100 of them in order for it to have that full look. And maybe I'll put my spin on that project one day. So I was thinking about using these. And then this is the styrofoam tray. And I already put glitter on it. It's just white glitter. And I didn't even finish it. Of course, I would have to put something around the sides. I'd put something else around the sides. I wouldn't actually do white glitter. But, so maybe some type of ribbon or something to match. But yeah, so that's where I'm at, guys. So, if you want to see... Oh, and I also have this to help pull the look together. Because I didn't have this at first. And when I had just these trees, it just wasn't popping. It wasn't doing it. It wasn't doing it for me, y'all. So I have a couple of more options to add to this to try to make this thing happen. So if you guys want to see how that goes, don't go nowhere. Stay where you are. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, guys. And I figured out what I'm going to use to put around the rim of this little snowscape here. Silver, I'm gonna have, well, silver for the base, and this gold is for one of the trees, this little one, the ones I told you that the beads all fell off, the glue. Using that glue, but I got, you know what I got? Yeah, that's the go-to right there. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all of these beads, and you know what? The circumference in these sides, these beads, is the same circumference around this disc. So easy peasy, I don't have to cut anything. So I'm going to glue this in place. And this is what I'm going to do. Just going to put this across here like that. Then I'm going to get some glue. And I'm just going to glue this around. Well, this is what it's looking like so far. All right, I'm going to put some felt on the bottom of this because this is the bottom of the base. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. So what I do now is lay this felt out and put the disc right on top. This is pretty much done. We're going to set it to the side. Okay, guys, so I have a tree that I can work with. So what I was thinking was to take this votive candle holder and this one, right? And let these serve as a pedestal, okay, like that. But I was thinking of this for a look, or maybe this, the big one. I'll put the big one on here. So that's definitely going to work out. This looks right. So that looks good. I just need to replace the stones that belong on here. So I'm going to try it. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. Did you see that? I'm going to use this Gorilla Glue, hot glue, and stick this one in place. And the same with this one. Just put that bad boy right there. And you know what, guys? I'm going to have to wind up doing this one all over too, because they're trying to pop off. But I'm going to put them back in place as they pop off. Like that. Alright, guys, I got all my trees situated, I believe. And so I'm just going to glue this tree on here. Okay. This one, I'm not going to do anything to this one. I think this one is okay. And the little steeple church is working out just fine. So I made a little bush that will stand right next to the little tree, into the church. So guys, I'm going to grab the base. Alright, so I think we should just put the church in place and just build around that. Or going to glue down over top of this glitter. Alright. And the big tree is definitely going to be in back. Here. Alright. This one back here, maybe? Nope. I don't know. I'll put that in the back. I think I like it. And this, I wanted this to go up here in the front somewhere. Let me back this tree up. And oops, make sure it's deep enough. And I'll fill it up with glue. And just put that puppy. Alright, so I think I like the placement. I believe I do. But in the meantime, I'm going to glue these trees in place. One, two, and this silver one back here. What do you think so far? Right? I really wanted to try to incorporate these lights on this display some kind of way. I'm going to stick that one up under there like that. Alright, guys, so that's what I have. This is it. Turn the light off so you get a good little look at that. It looks, I like it. You could use a little more tweaking, but this is cute. Look, I'm always calling something cute, but this looks nice. I like it. I really do. Again, this is my little winter church in the forest display. I'm going to pick it up on this board. That way I can hold it better to show you. And I even have a star. See that star in the top of the glass tree with the glass gems? Yeah. Alright guys, again, so if you like the content of my video today, give me that thumbs up, hit that like button, hit that share button, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Alright, bye-bye.